Hello, my sweet, sweet doll faces. I wanted to discuss some bougie on a budget, like tips. I love a luxury lifestyle, but it costs money, and there are ways that you can be like smart about it to get everything you want. So how to afford a luxury lifestyle. It's a lovely lifestyle too. You need to get good at doing everything yourself. So this is something that I've just always done, or like in practice. So growing up, I was like from a really big family, and we weren't poor, but we didn't have like all these luxuries, you know? So as like, I was like a teenager and stuff, and I would want to get like my hair done or my nails done, I had to figure out how to do it myself. So I would watch YouTube videos, thank God for YouTube, and I've definitely like really fucked up my hair and damaged it over the years and stuff, but I've, you know, practiced and have enough of a basic understanding to do it myself and get it at least close to what I want it for not a lot of money. You're already going to be spending a bunch of time like at a salon, so it's not like you're saving time necessarily, but you're in the comfort of your own home. If it turns out how you like, if it doesn't turn out how you want it, which is very common whenever you get your hair done by someone else, or like if they cut too much hair off, that way if you're not perfectly happy with it, it costs you like maximum $50 and you can tweak it yourself. So my suggestions for if you want to start doing your hair yourself at home are to look up on YouTube Brad Mondo and Elle Bangs, and you need to watch fail videos and success videos because you need to know like what you can actually fuck up, because you could fry your hair off. People like, I've done it myself, not like bald or anything, but you do have to be like really gentle because it's chemicals on your hair. And I will say salon quality stuff, I think is less damaging, but us commoners don't have access to all of that. So my suggestion is go to Sally Beauty, because theirs is gonna be better than like drugstore stuff, but it's like as close as salon quality that we can get without like a cosmetology license. So Sally Beauty is open to commoners. That's where I go all the time. And also Amazon, but sometimes you just need to go to Sally Beauty like day of. Okay, what's something like I've done everything to my hair. Like I cut my own hair. Well, I don't like to cut my own hair, but me and my sister have this way of cutting each other's hair. We get our hair, it's dry, but we'll straighten it out all the way, and we'll get it all brushed out in the back, and then we'll take a picture for like, so if I'm doing my sister's hair, I'll take a picture of her hair, and then she will take my phone, draw a line where she wants me to cut, and we always start small. You can keep taking more off, but you can't add it back. So I'll like cut, and then I'll take a picture again and see what tweaking we need to do, but that way it is the truest trim ever. So if you have a friend or your partner, anyone that feels comfortable helping you with this, start there. And also buy actual like hair cutting shears, not just like scissors. That will help too. But I've given myself extensions before. I've done sew-in extensions. I've like gone through, sectioned my hair out, and like did the little like sew and the clips, and then Carter's actually physically sewn like the hair extensions into my hair. Like I've literally done it all from home. Nails and acrylics. So it's funny because I actually just took a break from fake nails, but I literally just YouTube figured out how to do acrylics and SNS. And like I would buy the tips. You can get anything on Amazon or Sally, until I discovered press-on nails. So I actually do use press-on nails like 95% of the time, but figuring out how to do your own nails, you're going to be saving time because it takes way less time to get them done if you're doing press-on at home. You're in the comfort of your own home. If you pick a nail color that you don't like, you can switch it up and not have to spend money again. And then you can be like watching your favorite show or your favorite movie and just relaxing. Something else, do your own pedicures. You guys, this is like a weird kind of gross thing, but this is going to be better than a pedicure that you will actually pay money to get. If you get baby foot peel, they're like these weird wet sock things. You leave them on for an hour or two, and then throughout the week, your entire foot skin like sheds. It's a chemical peel, and it's gross. But if you take like a buffer thing, like to get all the dead skin off, you need more than a pumice stone in my opinion, but something like that where you can get all the dead skin off of your feet, and then you're gonna have baby feet, like fresh new skin. And then all you've got to do is clip your toenails, file them down, and paint your toes and use a top coat. Top coat I always recommend is the Essie top coat. It's my favorite. I use it anytime I'm doing my nails. And if you're like, well, Hope, I like to get a pedicure because I like the foot massage aspect of it, I hear you. But if you will take that same amount of money and go find a hole-in-the-wall foot spa near you, you can get the best foot massage of your life. They are actually trained in reflexology, and you're probably going to get like a head and neck massage as well. Put your money towards that. Now, skincare, like my ideal life, I would get to go to like get a facial like twice a month would be ideal. Even once a month is out of reach for a lot of us. So I like to take my luxury skincare and use those as treatments. I'll also get like certain things from my esthetician. Like if I want like a higher quality like chemical peel or something that I can buy and reuse over and over, that's what I do. And like I love La Mer, I love Sisley Paris, like I love all those things, but I am not wealthy enough to use those as my everyday skincare. So I use those as treatments or for like a special self-care night, that type of thing. Also, I know this is controversial, and if you are nervous about it, then don't do it, but dermaplaning at home, you can order those face razors off Amazon. You can get like a bundle of them and you can reuse them a couple of times as long as you take like an alcohol wipe to them and keep them clean. But like dermaplaning, shaving your face yourself is a huge money saver. It's great for your skin. You're going to be glowing. It helps skincare get in deeper, and it helps your makeup set on your skin like more flawless. And I've definitely heard people be like, you're just super cheap if you do it at home. Like, yes, but that's the point, because I can't just go spend, I like to shave my face like once or twice a week. I can't go spend like $50 a week to get someone else to shave my face when I can do it myself. I would not suggest getting a scalpel though, because that's what they use in a professional dermaplaning situation. Do not order a scalpel off Amazon. But yeah, so skincare, do it yourself. You can give yourself facial massage. This is gonna lead into the next thing with like the wellness and spa like stuff. Like massage, so facial massage, full body massage. If you have a friend or a partner or just like someone that it would be, that would also like get benefit and pleasure out of this, we ordered a few years ago, we got a massage table for our house, and it just folds up and it sits in our closet. But just look up YouTube videos on how to give like a full body massage, on like how to give a foot massage. If you have like a specific, like if you've got shoulder or neck issues, just watch somebody else on YouTube do it. And then you guys, this is what me and my husband do, and this is what my siblings used to do too. We still do it sometimes, but you just agree on a certain amount of time. If you're gonna do like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, just set a timer so it's perfectly fair and even. And you just set a timer and you just massage the other person, and then the other person massages you, and it's amazing. If you're just sitting around watching TV, me and my husband do this just about every single night. We'll set a timer for 10, 15, 20 minutes while we're watching our show or a movie, and just like give each other back rubs, head rubs, neck rubs. Like, it's amazing. And I feel like that is such a win-win situation. On the wellness side, pick a cheap gym. If you have a YMCA near you, I so highly recommend the YMCA. I love the YMCA. You have access to pools, steam rooms, saunas, hot tubs, different types of fitness classes, group classes, have access to treadmills, stair steppers, spin room. Like if you want to do a spin class, cool. You know what I do a lot of time, because I don't necessarily have the best schedule as a mom? I will just go whenever I feel like it and I know there's not a class in the spin room, and I will just pop on my YouTube video of some spin instructor doing a YouTube class and do my own YouTube class. And then that way I can actually get weights involved too, because not every class does like weights, and that way I can get like a full body, lower cardio, upper body workout. And also, if you just can't even afford a gym, YouTube, I even have workout videos that I've made myself because I create what I want to do. So I've got YouTube videos for workouts too, but like if you want to do a mat Pilates workout, there's YouTube videos for that. If you want, like, there's YouTube videos for everything. Like, it's so much more affordable to do things yourself. And like, you can get really cute like weights. You can get the ball of bangles for like your ankles and wrists. Like everything can be like this really beautiful aesthetic experience for you. And you can get like a pretty yoga mat. I love the Blogilates one. It's like really thick, vegan suede. I love it. But whatever you like and whatever your aesthetic is, and that's gonna make you feel more motivated to treat yourself and be healthy and work out if you've got like really beautiful things that you love to look at around you as well. For clothes, because I'm like such a fashion girly, clothes, do not buy anything full price if you can help it. If you can't, then make sure it's like really high quality and it's gonna last. But for the most part, like, I will not buy something full price. I will first, even if it is currently being sold on like Revolve or Nordstrom or something, I will go look on Poshmark first, because that's already going to be discounted, and whether it was lightly used, most of the things I get end up being new with tags and for a fraction of the cost. So I prefer to use Poshmark. You can utilize Facebook Marketplace. It just kind of depends on where you're at. I might do Facebook Marketplace more for like furniture and home stuff versus like clothes, but you better believe I'm searching first. And also look online for discount codes. There's Honey, this app called Honey, and this is like specific, but I really wanted the Dyson Airwrap last year for my birthday, and my husband, who is also, we both like nice things, but we like to find the best price for that thing. He got me a refurbished Dyson Airwrap off Amazon. So it works perfectly, and it was literally only $300 versus like, what is it, $500 I think. So I mean, it's still an expensive thing, but I love it. I get a lot of use out of it, and yeah, just like a nice little luxury thing. And then if you've got the Dyson Airwrap, you like a blowout, you're not spending money going, and you're saving your time and your money by not going to a salon and getting your hair blown out. And then like along the same lines, like house stuff, try to do as much of it you can as yourself. Like, we painted the entire interior of our house when we first moved in ourselves. We had family come over and help us too, but that saved thousands of dollars. And my husband and my dad and my father-in-law are all very handy, so I am lucky that they were able to like rip up the carpet, and they were able to put in our flooring themselves, and they did all the quarter round and the baseboards and stuff. So I understand that not everyone can necessarily do that, but like, I mean, my husband like rented tools from like Home Depot and Lowe's to take out the tile in our kitchen, and we re-tiled it. You know what I mean? Like, him and his dad did that. I didn't do that. But like, as much as you can, like, do it yourself. And if you feel comfortable trying it out, like trying to do it yourself, do it. There's YouTube videos for everything. Okay, and one last thing, I'm not a car girly. I love my little white Nissan Altima, but the thing that me and Carter did when we went to go get that car years ago, I knew I loved that car. I had bought that car because someone had totaled my other white Nissan Altima, and I knew that is the exact one I wanted again. Instead of just worrying, which never buy a brand new car full price unless you have no money issues whatsoever. That is a terrible investment. But we weren't worried so much about the monthly payment as the overall payment, because we didn't want to be paying it off forever. So we actually went in and we were like, hey, we want this. This is our maximum like price point for this car. They were like, well, that's weird. Like, and I mean, I know they're car salesmen, they were just gonna say anything anyways, but they were like, that, like, most people just worry about like if they can afford it month to month. And we were like, yeah, we don't care. We want to be done paying it off by this time. This is how much we are willing to spend on it. And then we were ready to walk if that didn't work out, and it worked out. So yeah, just know that everything is negotiable. And if you're not great at that sort of thing, see if you can take someone who is, to help you, or like talk to them on your behalf, because I totally understand that it is an intimidating situation, especially if you're being bullshitted and you don't even know what you're talking about. I get it. So anyways, I hope that these tips were helpful, and yeah, so I just want to be living a luxury lifestyle with all of you doll faces. Bye.